Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to password protect your Windows computer. Now, if you have a password protected computer, that means nobody else but you can log into your computer, which keeps your computer safe. Now, to password protect your computer, what you have to do is just click on your search button. From here, just type settings. And in best matches, you'll find settings. Just open settings from here. After that, on the left-hand menu, you'll find accounts. Just go to accounts. Then if you just scroll a little bit under account settings, you'll find sign-in options. Just go ahead and expand this section. After that, you'll find ways to sign in. You can set up a whole number of passwords, security key or PIN. I'm gonna go for password in this video. So just expand this. After that, just wait. Use a password to sign in to Windows, apps, and services. Just click on add. Then just create a password for yourself right here. Confirm the password. And just give it some hints if you would like hints when you log in. Then just click on next. Oh, make sure your hint is not the same as your password. Keep it something else. Hint is basically something that makes you remember your password easily. Then just click on next. Then just click on finish. And that's it. You have successfully added password. And that is how to password protect your Windows computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.